Hi guys! For today's cooking serye, let's cook salted egg, tofu, and shrimp. And here are the ingredients. So after ko malinisan or ma-devein ang mga shrimp, kinoat ko siya ng breading mix. Same with the tofu, kinoat ko rin siya ng breading mix. By the way, it is optional kung gusto nyo lang siyang i-coat. And then after that, fry ko na siya. And then set aside once it's cooked. And for the sauce, nag-melt lang ako ng butter with a little bit of oil. And then, iginisa ko na yung sibuyas at yung bawang. And now, we can add the smashed salted eggs or yung ating dinurog na itlog na pula. And then, we can add our siling labuyo. Isa lang yung nilagay ko dito para lang may konting spice siya. By the way, yung mga ulo ng shrimp ay hindi ko tinapon. Pinakuluan ko siya para maging shrimp broth. And now, we can add the shrimp broth. Ito ang mas magpapalasa sa dish natin. Mix well and let it simmer for a few minutes. And this is optional, you can add tomato paste to enhance the color. And now, let's add paminta and liquid seasoning. Mix well and let it simmer. So, hindi na ako naglagay ng salt kasi maalat na yung salted egg and yung shrimp broth. So, hayaan nyo lang siyang kumulo. Once na napansin yung medyo malapot na siya or medyo creamy na siya, pwede na nating ilagay ang mga tofu at shrimp. And finally, mix well hanggang sa ma-coat ng ating sauce ang ating fried tofu and shrimp. And that's it! Serve and enjoy! Thank you, Lord, for this food! And that's all for today's cooking serye. Thank you for watching. See you on our next cooking serye.